In this video, I'll be showing you how to properly set up your savings plans on Trade Republic. Now with the recent announcement of the Trade Republic new debit card, it gives you the ability to earn 1% save back on all of your purchases using that card. And of course, you can take that 1% new cash that you've been earning and putting that right towards your savings plans. And that's why I'll be showing you exactly how you can do that. Let's get right into it. All right, here we are in the good old Trade Republic app. So assuming you're at that stage where you're trying to set up your savings plan, you probably already know what you're trying to invest in, but say you didn't, you can of course draw from your previous investments down here. You can set up from your favorites and following list, or you can of course just go ahead and search for whatever you would like to invest in. So let's say I wanted to set up my savings plan right now. There's multiple ways you can do it. Of course, you can hit the add savings plan button right here, or you can search up the individual stock or crypto or ETF that you would like to set up your savings plan for as well. I will now go ahead and hit the add savings plan button. So let's say I wanted to invest in crypto and Bitcoin specifically because Bitcoin has been popping off in the last couple of weeks and I want to get my slice of the pie. We're going to hit the save button down here and be prompted with a screen to enter the amount of money that we would like to invest. So let's say I wanted to invest 100 euros and we're going to hit the next button. And here is where we are finally being prompted with how often we would like to invest our 100 euros. Now there's multiple ways we can do it. There's weekly, twice a month, monthly, or every 3 months. I am going to go and set up for a monthly basis. Now we have the option of choosing between two different times of that month. So assuming that the 2nd of February is the first business day of February, which is why it's not the 1st. So we have the option of the 2nd of February or the 16th of February. I'm going to go ahead and choose the beginning of the month, 2nd February. And here we are in the payment method selection screen. So in here, we have the option of choosing where to draw our cash for our savings plan from. Now, the top option is cash available, which would be the uninvested cash that I have on Trade Republic. And below is the bank account that I have linked with my Trade Republic account. I will go ahead and choose the available cash. And here we are in what is basically the confirmation screen when you're trying to set up your savings plan. So we can go over what exactly we have set. So we are choosing the payment option of our available cash on the platform. We're setting up a savings plan on Bitcoin on a monthly basis, and it will be starting in the 2nd of February of the next month, and we will be investing 100 euros. The fee, of course, is free because when you're setting up a regular payment via a savings plan, there are actually no fees associated, in contrast to when you're doing one-time transactions on Trade Republic where you incur a €1 fee. So we're going to go ahead and hit the save button. And after scan, there we go, savings plan created. So now if we go back to our home screen, we should be able to see down here, we now have a savings plan set up for 100 euros. Now, if we go ahead and tap on this and we hit our Bitcoin savings plan again, we can review the things that we have set again. Down here, we have the official documentation that Trade Republic is required to make. And you can see that that will, of course, be specific to your own data and your own information. But let's say we're looking at this and hey, let's actually, you know what, 100 euros, that's too little. Or actually, I want to invest on a bi-weekly basis. So how can I go ahead and change those options? Well, it will be down here in the manage screen. So in here, we have the option of edit or delete. Let's go ahead and hit edit. And let's say you know what, 100 is too low. Let's go for 200 euros. And let's hit the next button. And we actually, you know what, I don't want to invest on a monthly basis, but on twice a month basis. So we can go ahead and change it right there too. So let's say this time I want to change it to twice a month at the middle of the month. So there we go. And we can now another confirmation screen. And if we hit save again, it will change the settings. So there we go, savings plan updated, and we've changed it to whatever preferred settings that we might have. And let's say it's been a month, and you know what, this 200 a month savings plan twice a month, isn't actually working for me. So what we can do is we can again hit the savings plan, we hit the manage screen, and we hit the delete screen. And there we go, savings plan deleted. So this is a very flexible method of setting up your own savings plan, and that's basically how you do it. And there we go. That's how you set up your own savings plan on Trade Republic. Of course, you can set up multiple of these and it will be done in the very same method. So I hope you got some good value out of this video. And if you did, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe if you're more interested in this type of content. If you're curious about that new Trade Republic Visa card that will be coming up quite soon, I will go ahead and link a video that I've made about that quite recently right here. And if you're interested, go ahead and watch that. But other than that, I will go ahead and wish you a very good day and take care.